In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Asana. We're going to set up a simple one-way sync that displays your Asana tasks as events inside Google Calendar. This is perfect for seeing your project deadlines alongside your meetings, so you can plan your time without switching tabs. The process is straightforward. You'll grab a special calendar link from your Asana project and then add that link to Google Calendar. Start in Asana and open the project you want to sync. Make sure this is the exact project whose tasks you want to see on your calendar, because this connection is project specific. Once you're in the project, click the project name at the top to open its drop-down menu. In that menu, look for Export/Print or an option labeled Sync to Calendar. Different layouts may phrase it slightly differently, but both lead to the same place. A pop-up will appear with a unique URL. This is your project's calendar feed, also known as an iCal link. Copy that URL. It's a read-only feed, which means your Google Calendar will display the tasks, but you'll still make changes in Asana. It's a good idea to keep this link private, since it exposes project task information to anyone who has it, and also note that only tasks with due dates will appear in your calendar. If a task has a specific time, it will show at that time. If it only has a date, it will appear as an all-day event. Now switch to Google Calendar. In the left sidebar, find the Other Calendar section and click the plus icon next to it. From the options that appear, choose from URL. Paste the Asana link you copied into the field provided, then click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will create a new calendar feed for this project, and you'll see your Asana tasks begin to populate as events. Give it a moment to sync, and sometimes the events appear right away. Other times it can take a few minutes. Because this is a one-way sync, changes you make in Google Calendar won't update Asana. If you adjust a task state or details, do that back in Asana, and the calendar will reflect those changes after the feed refreshes. If you don't see any events, double check that the project has tasks with due dates and that you pasted the full link correctly. That's all there is to it. You've connected your Asana project to Google Calendar using a one-way sync, so your task deadlines show up where you already plan your day.